Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, we'll see about renaming a table or a column. Okay, so how to rename a table? Suppose we take example of medical shop.customer what we created in previous class. So let us see about customer table. So select star from customer. Since I'm already in medical shop, so I don't need to specify database name explicitly. So you should also make a practice if you want, but better is medical shop.customer. Okay, so I'm just leaving it for now. So you can see I have cust id, cust name, cust mobile, cust mob, cust ad, cust medicine. So in case if I want to change the customer mobile move to, I want to change, what my requirement is, change column name cust mob to cust mobile. Okay, okay, this is my requirement number one. Okay, right? So what I will do, it is very simple, it is very simple. Just you will alter the table name. Okay, alter table uh, medical shop dot customer. These are simple things, right? You don't need to apply logic in this. These are very simple things. ddl are very simple. Okay, you don't need to explicitly apply any logic to that, right? Change um, cust mob to cust mobile. Old name then new name, and that's it. Okay, you should just remember. If you see, if you ask me, should cust mobile to change cust mob to cust mobile. Change column. Am I writing correct? Change cust mobile to cust mobile, and I should provide also the data type. Okay, if you ask me, do I remember all these things? The answer is no. Even I am also not uh, able to remember all these stuffs. Okay, so it's just, you can google it, right? You can just google it about the command, about the syntax, right? So syntax is something that you can't remember all the times, right? So just but you should know how to do that, right? The main thing is that you should know how to do this, right? What is the syntax is not important, how to do is important. Okay, so just run it, and I have run it. Since I have run it, just see, select a star from customer, and cust mob is changed to cust mobile. Okay, and that's it. So the first one is over. Okay, the second is, the second requirement is, I suppose I want to change the table name. Okay, okay, suppose my requirement is change the name of the table, means rename the table, means rename the table. Okay, so just as the syntax suggests, just alter the table medical dot customer. Suppose I want to customer one. Okay, so just use rename command, rename to, rename to, right? Rename to command. Okay, rename to customer one, and that's it. And you can just apply. I'm just removing this. Let me copy paste this correct command. Okay, and just now I'm just running it. I'm just removing this stuff and just I'm running it. And if I run it, medical shop, and just I will run it, and you can see when you select it, it doesn't exist, right? So now what exists? Now customer one exists. Okay, now you can see customer one exist. Okay, and that's it. So for the sake, I'm uh, still renaming the customer one to customer now. Okay, so now customer one is not there. Okay, now customer is there. Okay, so since I have reversed the things. Okay, so this was two things I want to address you. So after that, we are 70% done with our DDL. After that, we will when once we will see again enter into DDL when we see the key concept and constraint concept. Okay, all right.
Yes,
So
sir.
the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.